Integrated Activity Science, done by Siddharth of DAV Boys Mogapere. Plastic boon or bane? Common questions asked: what is plastic? Who found it? Disadvantages versus advantages. What is boon and what is bane? Why all prefer plastic? How plastic is harmful for Earth? And summary. What is plastic? Well, plastics are a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic compounds that are malleable, so can be molded into solid objects. Plasticity is the general of all materials which can deform irreversibly without breaking. But in the class of moldable polymers, this occurs to such a degree that their actual name derives from this specific ability. Plastics are typically organic polymers of high molecular mass and often contain other substances. They are usually synthetic, most commonly derived from the petrochemicals. However, an array of variants are made from renewable materials such as polylactic acid from corn or cellulose from cotton linters. Who found plastic? Well, one of the earliest examples was invented by Alexander Parkhus in 1855, who named his invention Parkinson. We know it today as celluloid. Polyvinyl chloride, which is PVC, was the first polymerized between 1838 to 1872. A key breakthrough came in 1907 when Belgian American chemist Leo Baekeland created Bakelite, the first real synthetic mass produced plastic. So we don't know who really found plastic. Comparison of plastic, which is the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: extreme versatility and ability to be tailored to meet specific technical needs, easy for carrying and are available anytime. Durability and longevity, it is durable and lives long. Plastic benefits are very good water resistant and have a good adhesivity. Plastic production is solid, good and cheap. Lesser energy and heavy chemicals requirements in manufacture and are lightweight. They can be recycled. Disadvantages of plastic: they take many years to compost and some won't even. Plastic bags are a make of a non-renewable resource. They are a hazard. They are hazard to wildlife animals if they are not disposed properly. Plastic bags clogs roadside drains, which could cause the flooding of the street at heavy rainfalls. Plastic causes water and land pollution, and burning them produces harmful gases like carbon dioxide. Plastics prevent the rainwater from seeping into the ground. Dumping of plastics in the ground affects the plants growing in the area as they don't get enough water from the soil. Plastic, boon or bane? Plastic was thought to be a boon, but it turned out to be a bane. Plastic can be very harmful as it produces harmful gases when it is burned. As it is non-biodegradable, it is harmful to the soil and takes hundreds of years to degrade or decompose. Plastic waste, such as plastic bags, often becomes litter. Fun fact is, plastic makes up around 7% of the average household dustbin. Plastic, boon or bane? Misuse of any technology can lead to curse. Plastic can be very harmful as it produces harmful gases when it is burned. As it is non biodegradable, it is harmful to the soil and takes hundreds of years to degrade or decompose. We saw this in the previous slides. With more and more plastic products, particularly plastic packaging, being disposed of soon after their purchase, the landfill space required by the plastic waste is a growing concern. So, if we use more and more plastic, the oceans, everywhere there will be plastic, and it will be non-fin. It shows that we are destroying the nature. The reason why all prefer plastics is it is very cheap in terms of cost. It has a long life and can be used for more span of time. Its toughness provides it good strength, due to which it is very good in holding the objects. It is very transparent, due to which the material kept in is visible. It can be shaped into many different shapes and forms. Definitely, plastics are very harmful for Earth. Plastic pollution on the land poses a threat to the plants and animals, including humans who are based on the land. Estimates of the amount of plastic concentration on the land are between 4 and 23 times that of the ocean. The amount of plastic poised on the land is greater and more concentrated than that in the water. Mismanaged plastic waste ranges from 60% in East Asia and Pacific to 1% in North America. The percentage of mismanaged plastic waste reaching the ocean annually and thus becoming plastic marine debris is between 1/3 and 1/2 the total mismanaged waste for that year. Chlorinated plastic can release harmful chemicals into the surrounding soil, which can then seep into groundwater or other surrounding water sources and also the ecosystem of the world. This can cause serious harm to the species that drink the water. Summary spelling is wrong. Plastics are a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic compounds. PVC was the first polymerized between 1838 to 1872. There are a lot of disadvantages and advantages of plastic. We saw that plastic is a boon as well as a bane. We also saw that many prefer plastic, and one of the main reason is it is cheap. We also saw plastic is non-biodegradable and is very harmful for Earth. Thank you.